Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to the studio. Starting the day with tomato soup. And today is actually a very special day, at least here in Germany, in this area of Germany. It's the start of Carnival today. Like right now, people are getting heavily drunk. All of my friends heading towards the city center in costumes and just going nuts.
That's the place where you get your beer. That's the place where you leave your beer or you pee there. And that's where you get your food. Currywurst, balloons, beer, and dancing happens everywhere on the street.
Last year I was part of it. The year before, or actually 2 years before as well. And to be honest, it's every year the same. Should I go or not? Because I mean, on the pro side, it's fun. You see a lot of your friends that you haven't seen in a long time because everyone is coming here for Carnival. On the flip side, massive hangover. The drunk people around you are extremely annoying. It smells like shit. Everyone is pushing. It's very crowded, so basically everything that I actually hate. It's only fun when you're drunk, but then the hangover is even worse. So I don't know, I still don't know. So there's like a 50% chance I might actually go. I really don't know. The biggest thing actually holding me back is that tonight I have to take a train to Munich, to the MixCon that starts tomorrow morning. And I can't show up there like completely destroyed, so maybe finding a solution in between. If I should throw up today, eating this is maybe not the best idea. So I've 100% decided to stay here. It's the more reasonable thing to do, because like with the hangover on the train and like smelling like shit and probably throwing up and then not like getting the train, it's too risky. It's not worth it. I will just skip this year, although all of my friends are riding me. And there's one among them that asked me now already for a week if I would go with them, and I'm always saying no. But maybe let's just play a little with them, maybe just like a picture. Just 1 second. No, leave me alone. No, not again this, please, no. Come on guys, just behave. No, Susie, no, not the green plant. Come on guys, behave, just for once. No, not the party mode. No. Yeah, I know it's a great song, but now please stop. Come on, just stop. No more fall. Okay, just one more round. Ooh. Oh man. That room is crazy, but I got the hat. But it's really crazy. It should be called the crazy dangerous room, not the secret room. Crazy, but yeah. I also got my vodka bottle. Let's do the picture and just throw him off. I can bet you if I post this into the group pretending I'm like partying, he will call me in just like 5 seconds. Absolutely hate selfies, but for a good joke. And don't worry, I'm not drinking any of this. Now just waiting for him to call, and in the meantime, listening to some remixes, continuing listening to remixes. That's like my main priority for today. And also later on the train, and probably also on the way back on the train. It's quite a bunch. I think we got 536 submissions. That's a lot to go through, and everyone deserves being heard. So let's listen. Na gut, dann nächstes Jahr 100%. Perfekt. Machen wir. Viel Wodka. Ciao. I told you, like, I didn't even listen to one song and he called. Very upset, but we both promised each other and the rest of the entire crew to go next year, 100%. Maybe even start here in the studio with like drinking Usually this starts like 9, 8 in the morning with food, and then 11 or actually like 10:30 to be there at 11. Then it all starts, and usually like 6 p.m. is like game over. Usually, sometimes not, but usually game over. Definitely top-notch remixes right there. This composition, deciding for the winner, will be a lot harder. I have the feeling the quality is a lot better. Maybe just because more people participated, maybe because some people learned something. Maybe it's also because you got more time to actually take care of your remixes. Really don't know what it is, but it's good for all of us. Just the only downside, it will be even harder to decide, but I will eventually somehow get it done. By the way, from today on, the secret room will be locked. Not even the Accents team members will have access. It will be only me, no one else for, yeah, basically the rest of time. And if you're wondering what's inside, it's actually top secret, but some of the secrets in there are, for example, why Accents, my label, is actually called Accents, and the rest is so secret I can't even talk about it. Alles drauf. Touchdown main train station, first day carnival, way past the game over time. This will be fun.
Wärst du ein Ratte, wer diese?
Weil wir meinten auch zur einen Scheide. Aber bitte, aber bitte.
It wasn't actually as bad, I mean, you might think, but the really bad stuff I didn't film, of course. People throwing up, laying on the floor. It's crazy. Finally, past midnight, made it to Munich. This train ride was was even worse than the secret room. I got someone that had dinner straight out of his nose, someone snoring, a sick person. It's been a blast, and I almost forgot the worst. Like 2 hours of the train ride, carnival party, just straight up party. Alles gut. An Karneval ist alles erlaubt. Hello. Hello. So this right here is Munich. I will try and show you a bit more of it. It's like the most typical city in Germany. All of the stereotypes, you will find them here. But now let's just try and find a cab. I have to be quiet because everyone is already sleeping. It's quite late. I got a new friend here. It's the coolest dog on planet Earth. Say hello. Such a nice dog. And I have to say, I'm feeling already almost as at home. I got here. Welcome, Nutella. Huge thanks. And I'm actually staying, to be more precise, in the home studio of a friend, which is really cool. I will give you tomorrow an entire tour, plus of course the MixCon event, 2 days, just everything about music, business stuff, DJing, producing. It will be fun, so definitely tune in tomorrow.